A lot of people think, if my score went up, the old negative item no longer matters. Not always. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. That means your report tells a story about how you borrow, pay, recover, and manage money over time. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Discover how negative items impact your credit score, why recent negatives hurt your approval chances, the importance of positive credit history, understanding the 7-year reporting rule, and the exceptions to the timeline you need to know. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Reporting time limit. The amount of time an item is generally allowed to stay on a credit report. Now let's jump in. In credit, recent problems usually matter more than old problems. A missed payment from last month feels risky to a lender. A missed payment from 5 years ago may look less scary, especially if you have paid everything on time since then. The system is asking, what have you done lately? Here is the part many people miss. A negative item can stop hurting your score a lot, but still hurt an approval. For example, a 5-year-old collection may not crush your score anymore, but a mortgage underwriter, which is a person or system checking risk, may still require it to be paid, settled, explained, or handled depending on the loan program. The best way to make old damage less important is to build a better recent story. On-time payments, low credit card balances, and stable accounts show that you are handling credit better now. Think of it like a report card. One bad grade from years ago matters less when your newer grades are strong. Most negative credit information has a reporting time limit, commonly up to 7 years, but many people misunderstand when that clock starts. For many delinquent accounts, the key date is usually the original delinquency date. That means the first missed payment that led to the account going bad. It is not usually the date it was sold, transferred, updated, or charged off. Not every item follows the same timeline. Bankruptcy can report longer, often up to 10 years depending on the type. Some positive closed accounts may stay longer than negative items, which can help your history. Certain legal records can also have different rules, so do not guess. Always check the type of item and the dates on your report.